Why so many phone calls and so much mail? That's our topic today. We'll get started right after this. If you're a personal representative and you're watching this, this is something that you are probably a bit frustrated about. All the phone calls and all the mail that you're getting. And you're wondering, how did they get my phone number? I'm Kim Ward. I am a certified probate real estate advisor, and what my team and I do is we help personal representatives, trustees, executors, and administrators with homes in probate or trust administration. We help them to prepare, market, and successfully sell these homes in San Diego, California. This is why you're getting all the phone calls and lots of mail. If you're a personal representative of a probate, you're the executor or the administrator. And what happens at the beginning of a probate is that your attorney, in most cases, sometimes people do their own probates, but not very many. The probate case is filed. It's a petition for probate. In that petition that is filed with the probate court here in San Diego, your name, your phone number, your address, and some other data is included in that. And you know what? It's public. And the next thing that happens is, because it's public, the real estate agents, hopefully they have probate experience, but a lot of them don't. They start calling you and they start mailing you. The other people that do that also are the investors wanting to buy the home and have you not put it on the open market, which I don't think is a very good idea. When the real estate agents contact you, I would hope that their goal is to give you information that is helpful to you. Maybe they're going to provide a property current market evaluation, what the property may be worth in the current market. Maybe they'll offer to introduce you to a good estate sale company, or in most cases, they probably won't have this, but we have a buyout person that comes into the home and evaluates what is left after the personal representative and all the family members and friends have removed their mementos. He'll come in and he'll give a bid on how much it will cost to pay him to remove what's left, or in some cases, actually get some money from selling the rest of the personal property to him. The good thing about this is that it takes that load off of you, the personal representative, and it gets the house ready to go on the market. I would hope that the phone calls from the real estate professionals are not meant to push you. I hope that they're actually meant to offer you some assistance. Now, in the case of the investors, in most cases, they're meant to push you because they want to buy the property for a below market price so that they can then do some minor repairs or sometimes major repairs and then put it back on the market for a lot more money, and that's how they get paid. In most cases, it's best if you hire someone that's a real estate professional, hopefully someone that has a lot of knowledge, to help you to put it on the open market, because that windfall that would potentially go to the investors will go to you and the estate. If this content is valuable to you, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. That way, the algorithm on YouTube will share it with others that are in the same circumstances that you are. And thank you for doing that. Now, to go back to how did your information get out there for all these strangers to start calling and mailing you? Your name, your phone number, if your attorney puts that phone number into the public document, your address, and potentially more information is on the public record. Now, it's not super easy for agents or investors to get that information. They actually have to get it from the probate court, and they don't make it as easy as you think they would. On occasion, my team and I, we go to the probate court and we actually use the computers that are there to download the information so that we can then reach out to you and see if we can help. While this may feel somewhat intrusive, it's just all part of the process when your loved one has passed away and there's a probate. And I would hope that most agents aim to be respectful, have some sensitivity, and just try to be helpful. Now, this is the important part. How do you handle these calls? Of course, with the mail, you can just make a pile of it and go through it at your leisure and determine when the time's right who you want to reach out to. But how do you handle the phone calls when you answer the phone and it is a real estate agent or an investor? The first thing you need to know is you don't need to do anything immediately, so just take your time. What you can say to the agent or the investor, if you'd like, is that you'll reach out to them when the time is right, and you'll keep their contact information, especially if they've been respectful and polite. And let them know that you will consider reaching out to them if you feel that they're the right person to help you through the process and they have the right knowledge and experience. You may want to vet them a little bit by asking for their name and their brokerage, and perhaps ask them to send some information to you that shows how experienced they actually are. And you're going to want to vet some of these real estate agents before you even have more conversations with them so that you're not wasting your time. Another thing you might want to consider is asking your probate attorney for the names of 2 or 3 people that they know, like, and trust. Today, we just finished with a probate, helping the clients through the whole process. Their attorney gave our information to them and also another team's information. They actually interviewed the other team first, and then we met with them, and they chose us because we are truly experienced to help them through the entire process. They don't live in San Diego. Many of our clients do not, and they had personal property that needed to be addressed. We took care of that with our buyout person. Then the house needed cleaned, windows needed cleaned. We organized all that, had an open house, and received multiple offers because we know what we're doing. I've been doing this for over 20 years and have a system in place to really help through that process. And just some quick closing thoughts. As the personal representative, you are responsible for handling everything having to do with the estate. So know that you can take your time, keep that list of real estate professionals, and when you're ready to talk about the actual home and how to get it ready to go on the market, talk with them over the phone first. And when you feel comfortable, invite them to meet you at the home if you're here in the area of the home, or via Zoom. That way you can dig even deeper and see who's a good fit to help you through the preparation, the marketing, and the successful sale of your loved one's home. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this of value. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and that way you'll get more insights into what you're about to be going through or what you may be going through right now. And if you have questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section below.